Hello, I'm Adi Hidayatullah. I come from Bekasi. Now I stay in Sorong. And I want to presentation about my job training in Telkomsel. Telkomsel have program recruitment for permanent employee. That is Great People Training Program, and now I join in Great People Training Program 5. Okay, before I presentation, I want to describe my job position training. Now, my job position training is RTPO in Sorong. RTPO, Radio, Transport, and Power Operational. Generally, my job as RTPO handle operational radio, transport or transmission, and power in network Telkomsel. But radio in here describe base station system, BTS and BSC scope. Radio. In radio, example we can know about BSC, base station controller, BTS, base transceiver station, antenna, jumper, and other things. In transport or transmission, we can know radio IP, use antenna microwave, Odu, Edu, and in optic, we can know like Metro E, NEC, and other things we can know. And then power. In power, we more know about rectifier. Rectifier for functionality is converting AC power to DC power. And in power, we also know like MCB, power cable, multi-rective, and other things. Okay, let's view about RTPO. Next, during I joined training as RTPO in Sorong, this is my activity. Integration packet ABIS, upgrade IUB, integration Metro E 3G and LTE, upgrade cell F3, and then keep good availability in RTPO Sorong. 1. Integration packet ABIS. For this integration, first we must check transmission. You can check by pin test. And then commissioning transmission parameter in BTS side. And also change parameter in BSC side. 2. Upgrade IUB. First, change payment IUB inerrancy. Next, login to Node B for change parameter. And also, we must make sure bandwidth transmission is okay. 3. Upgrade F3 cell. For this activity, first we can create cell F3 by OMS. Then, commissioning a cell in Node B. Finally, coordination with NPO team for adjustment and optimization. 4. Integration Metro E. First step, coordination with Telkom about transmission. Like usually we can check by ping test. And then change parameter in Node B or in Node B side. And also change parameter inerrancy if we integration Node B. And finally, for my activity, I must keep good performance availability. In this activity, how we can minimize site fall down. One of the ways we must make sure have spare hardware, maintenance set routine, fast response for handle problem like backup power, troubleshoot and other things. If we see strength availability in RTPO Sorong, every month always drop, but not significant. This is an opportunity for us to make better performance availability in Sorong. Hopefully, I can help for better. Okay, that is about my activity. And next, my point is recommendation. Recommendation for better performance. 1. First, good preparation for activity in RTPO Sorong. And then, fast response for handle program. Stock hardware is enough. Game set fix for simple sight. Make good coordination with team and partner. And keep soul together with team. Last point is next activity learning for me. First, keep doing great value to Telkomsel. Learn about core network. Learn more specific again about radio, transmission, and power. And always curious and take initiative. Okay, this is JT presentation for me. Sorry, I have a mistake. Thank you for your attention and semangat pagi!